Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your headlights have been giving you weak visibility, leaving you squinting through the night or feeling unsafe on dark roads, then you're in the right place. Today I'm bringing you a full review of the top 5 best headlight bulbs, and, by the end you'll know exactly which one fits your car and driving style. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews like this, and check the links in the description below to find the best deals on each of these bulbs. Also, once you've watched, drop a comment and let me know which one you're going with and why. Let's dive in, starting from number 5 and working our way up to the number 1 pick. The latest H11LL bulbs claim an output of 30,000 lumens, boasting 800% brightness compared to standard halogens, with a cool white 6500K light temperature and a true 1.1 halogen size to fit your original H7 or H7LL housing without adapters. These bulbs stand out because they mix high brightness with plug-and-play simplicity, no adapter needed, non-polarity, and they're designed to directly replace standard halogen units. They're a fantastic pick if you drive mostly at night and want a clear upgrade over your stock bulbs without moving to full LEDs or high Ds. One downside is that with all that claimed brightness, you may face beam pattern adjustment and glare for oncoming drivers if not properly aligned, but for the price they're still absolutely worth it. The FAHREN H11 H9 H8 light bulb package features automotive-grade chips delivering up to 40,000 lumens total, operating at 60 W, with a color temperature of 6500K cool white, crafted in an aviation aluminum body with a hollow carved heatsink and turbo cooling fan, promising a lifespan up to 60,000 hours. What makes these bulbs shine, literally, is their ultra-bright output, focused beam pattern, and real plug-and-play capability for those socket sizes, H11, H9, H8. They're ideal if you're after maximum brightness and modern LED performance in one of the most common bulb sizes. The only caveat is that in some vehicles you might need to check for CAN bus compatibility or clearance behind the headlight housing, but it's still a strong performer and well worth considering. Taking the third spot is the Marsauto D3S HID bulbs, which are designed for vehicles with factory HID systems, not halogen housings. These bulbs operate at 35 W per bulb, with a color temperature of around 6000 K for a cold white xenon look, and a lifespan rated up to around 3000 hours. What makes the Marsauto option stand out is the high-end HID projection look, intense, crisp light and very quick start time, plug-and-play design. If your car came with HID lights, D3S size, this is a solid upgrade that gives you a powerful, luxurious beam. A shortcoming is that for those without HID housings or proper alignment, you risk glare or legal issues, but when matched to the right car, it's still worth the premium. At number 2 is the SYLVANIA H13 XtraVision halogen bulb. These are rated at 65 watts, model dependent, and are designed to deliver more down-road visibility using a brighter halogen bulb with no added glare, thanks to a robust filament design and proprietary gas mixture. What really makes the H13 XtraVision series stand out is the reliability and trusted name behind it. You're getting OEM-quality lighting from a brand with decades of experience, plus better visibility than standard halogens, while still sticking with halogen technology, for easier installation and compatibility. It's best for car owners who want an upgrade without moving into the LED HID world and want something proven. The minor downside is that while brighter than standard halogen, it doesn't match the extreme brightness of high-power LEDs or HUDs, but given its ease of use and reliability, it's still absolutely worth it. And our top pick is the SYLVANIA 9003 XtraVision halogen bulb for low beam and fog replacement. These bulbs are designed for universal fit in many vehicles, deliver strong performance in low beam and fog applications, and carry the same built-in reliability you expect from SYLVANIA. What sets the 9003 XtraVision apart is its balance of performance, value, and brand trust. It offers a brighter beam, better down-road visibility, and is ideal for everyday drivers who want the best halogen option without moving into more complex lighting systems. It's especially suited for drivers who face fog or low-vision conditions and want a reliable upgrade. A small shortcoming is that, again, it doesn't reach the radical brightness of top-tier LEDs or HIDs, but given its compatibility and simplicity, it's still absolutely worth choosing. To wrap things up, if you're just replacing bulbs and want a simple halogen upgrade, the SYLVANIA 9003 XtraVision takes the lead. If you want something modern and ultra-bright and you're prepared for installation considerations, the FAHREN LED or Marsauto HID give you real performance boosts. And for those looking for strong value and reliability, the SYLVANIA H13 or the latest H7LL options do the job well. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this review helpful, and check the links in the description to find the best current deals on each of these headlight bulbs. Drop a comment below telling me which bulb you're going with and why. Your experience might help other viewers too. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.